Boom. 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 See what we got going on here? We got us a little cold air intake for the Acura. It's about 28 degrees outside. We're supposed to be seeing some snow in South Carolina here in about an hour and a half, D. So we're gonna get this puppy slapped on real quick. Kind of disappointed. It's a nice kit. I waited 2 months for this, which is beautiful. Don't get me wrong. But literally this is the only thing that came powder coated. The shield didn't come powder coated, nothing else. So I waited 2 months on that teeny little piece to be powder coated. And this was a $350 kit, and this is everything. So yeah. I'm not super impressed because it doesn't get rid of these silencer boxes or anything. I've got to do like a whole nother kit, which is like another $400 to get rid of these silencer boxes. So hopefully it gives us a little extra noise. This is going to be a quick install video and a couple revs. It's supposed to be like a 15 horsepower game though. So as long as I get some turbo noises out of it, I'll be happy. We're going to get this thing slapped on. Let me try to hook up this here tripod jigaboo I got, and then I'll get us on a time lapse to show. All right, y'all, it's sleeting. Hopefully my time lapse worked like it's supposed to, but it's sleeting. We got her in. I got to put the lid on it, and I think I was supposed to put that little intake piece back on that goes in there, but we ain't worrying about that right now.
No, I don't go back, right?
This does.
Not so much.
Oh yeah.
So that one flip, you can put it right there. That one flip, because it don't go back.
Yep. Look at that. That's ice in South Carolina. And we out here working. There's no days off, boys. We get her done no matter what. She's in there. I gotta go put the lid together real quick inside, and then we'll take her for a spin. Check back in. Alright, y'all, we're throwing this lid on real quick, but we ain't putting the little intake piece back on that goes under the hood yet. I'm technically supposed to be doing that, but I'm gonna do that later. We're just gonna get this lid on real quick while it's icing out here. And yeah. Check in on it. We are in the Aspec. My battery is dying on my GoPro. We got a battery low light, but that's because this is all ice. Let's see here. It's frozen. But anyway, we're gonna let this puppy warm up. I was hoping I didn't trip any check engine lights. We're good. We're 0 degrees Celsius, which means we're right at about 30 degrees Fahrenheit. Don't know why Acura did that. We're gonna get this heat going on some front and rear defrost here. I love this car. We're gonna get our butt warmers on so me and Diggy D butts won't be frozen. And yeah, we'll take this for a spin in just about 10 minutes. Let her warm up. We got some noises, boys. Yeah, you definitely can't hear them on the camera, but I'll get some outside revs when it's decent weather outside. but about a 15 horsepower gain is what it says on the dyno, with no tuning or anything. I think I can feel a little butt dyno extra power, but ooh. Oh, she spun. Yeah, for a daily she'll do. I think we're gonna do a little bit more. We're probably gonna get rid of some more of the airbox. I'll show y'all, like I said, when it gets a little bit nicer outside. But we gotta do like the turbo neck because it's still got some silencers on it. And then I'm probably gonna do like a high cat downpipe and K-tune and all that. I want a little bit more power out of it. And the old lady don't want to sell it, so if she don't want to sell it, I want a little bit more power. But I'm loving it. It got some noise now. When I rev it up, sitting there, it's got a little whoosh to it, a little bit. So a little extra power, a little extra noise. Maybe we'll do a rear muffler delete, but I'll check back in as soon as this nastiness goes away. Still got like a little rain, sleety going on, and we'll do some revs with the hood open and see what we think. Alright, it's a different day. Been on drove for a couple days. As you can see, it's not sleeting out here now in old South Carolina. I'll give y'all a couple of revs, see if we can get some sound out of this puppy. It makes a real nice sound when you're driving it, but I don't know if you can hear it outside or not. I know on the camera you're not gonna be able to hear it inside, but it made a little bit of difference. We got some turbo noises now, at least. I think I can feel the horsepower difference, I believe. Butt dyno, 15 horsepower. Proven on paperwork with these things. We'll see. I'm gonna drive it past the house and see if we can get some turbo noises like that. See if we can hear anything on the camera outside the car. I haven't actually stood outside the car yet or heard it on camera. I've just driven it, so I'm just gonna spin it up and down the road and see if we can get some turbo noises out of this thing.
Hey, that shit sound good though. You hear it? Yeah.
I don't know how that sounded on camera, but it sounded really good inside the car. Yeah, super happy with it. HPS intakes, it was easy to put on. Everything was made really nice. I wish they would have done the airbox powder coated too, not just the neck for $400, but definitely a horsepower gain. It broke traction in the rain the other day, as y'all saw, when it was sleeting and stuff, which normally you can't get it to do. I've raced my buddy in his little, what is 2.5 Infinity. Got about 2 cars on them, and this weighs 4,000 empty. I had 4 people in the car and a full tank, so it's probably 4,500 4,600 pounds. I think it did pretty good to get them by 2 cars. Got some turbo noises. I think next what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a catted downpipe so we don't get the fuely smell on it, and then probably go ahead and put a K-tune on it. I think I can get away with tuning it in a downpipe without doing an intercooler. I think it'll be pretty safe. But that's next. Probably, I don't know, wheels might be next. We're either gonna do downpipe or wheels next, because the downpipe's $1,000 alone with the cat in it, and wheels are gonna cost me about 3,000, so we'll see. But anyway, I'm gonna end this one off here. Appreciate y'all watching. Hopefully the time lapse looked good. I haven't done a time lapse, my first time lapse. If y'all want to see more time lapse, drop a comment down below and let me know, because I can do time lapse when like doing stuff on the GTO, like the springs and stuff like that. Sometimes it's boring to watch time lapse. Some people want to watch it, so if y'all want me to start time lapsing all the work we do, I'll do that. So this will be my first one. Appreciate y'all. Like, subscribe, comment, check in on the next one.